Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to clean door jambs or door shunts, depending on where you're from and that's what you call it. So this is the door jamb that we're going to be cleaning. So as you can see, it is a little bit dirty, hasn't been cleaned in a while. So I will be showing you how to do it now. Firstly, you get your all-purpose cleaner. Give it a shake, make sure the chemicals are all shook together and ready to go, and then you spray it on your door jamb. I've also got a brush with me. You spray it on the brush as well, and you just get in all the crevices there, around all the bolts, everything like that. Get that brush all up and down that door jamb there. So this is quite, I guess, for door jambs, it's sometimes a neglected area, and it can stand out negatively when you've cleaned a car and forgotten to do the door jambs. It can really stand out as to a dirty part of the car, and somewhere I guess you don't want people to see. So this is how we clean it and make sure that doesn't happen. So the really tight area here is hard to record and clean it in there. So I've done my best there. So I'll get my brush in all the crevices there. I'm getting the all-purpose cleaner everywhere, as much as I can there. All right, so after you've done that, it'll be obviously wet with all-purpose cleaner. Hopefully it'll be nice and spread because you've used the brush. You then get your microfiber cloth and you wipe it all away. So this is again a very easy thing to do, and it does make the car pop, especially after you've cleaned it. So as you can see, just getting the microfiber there, getting all the residue, picking it all up. Tough to get into there. I'm doing my best. Again, very hard to record and clean it at the same time, especially because I'm by myself, so wasn't able to get anyone holding the camera and following me through there. All right, so that side is done. So now we do this little part here. So this is on the door as the door's open. So the bottom corner of the door. So again, same thing, all-purpose cleaner on the door, as well as on the brush. And we just spread that and get and make sure it all degreases, and get it all over. Obviously not the interior. And again, we just wipe away and we should be left with a nice clean door jamb. And there it is. Look at that. Look at the shine coming off that. So as always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed. And leave a comment. Leave a comment if you're enjoying my videos, or if something that you'd like to see special. So let me know. Yeah, thanks again for watching.